Okay, now we're going to work on the bass drum part to take me out to the ball game. So before we play, why don't we take a look at what we've got here. We've got half notes that are worth 2 quarter notes, quarter note rests, then we've got some quarter notes, and that's everything. It's all a combination of half notes, quarter notes, and quarter note rests. So why don't we play it and see how it goes. I'm going to count out loud so everybody keeps their place. Okay? 1 measure, then we begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, in bar 25, you can see an accent and the letters S, F, F, Z with an exclamation point. And what that stands for is an Italian word called sforzando, which means suddenly louder, and the accent means sharp sound. So those should really stick out. It's probably a bass drum solo. So that's Take Me Out to the Ball Game.